Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog ear cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bexley Labs Curacaeb Dog Ear Cleaner. While the above ear cleaner is the best you can buy, it's a bit expensive. And given that you need to use a dog ear cleaner very liberally for best results, the cost can add up. So some dog owners may want to go for a more budget-friendly product, which is exactly what Bexley Labs Curacaeb Dog Ear Cleaner is. It works very effectively as well and treats a variety of dog ear infections. However, it can take longer than the above ear cleaner for it to make a significant difference, but that's a bit of a trade-off for the lower price. Blended with a unique formula that's a combination of antifungal, anti-yeast, and antibacterial ingredients, this ear cleaner also helps to defend the ear canal from infection. When comparing with the top pick, the Bexley Labs is around 85% cheaper. This makes it a no-brainer budget-conscious option for dog parents. It offers a great bang for your buck, especially for routine ear cleaning, as it's impressively effective but priced much lower than its peers. It contains 0.1% ketoconazole, which is known to be effective against yeast, bacteria, fungus, and ear mites. Moving on at number 4, we have the VetWELL Dog Ear Cleaner. This is one of the cheapest canine ear cleaners you will find for cleaning your dog's ears, but its low price tag doesn't take anything away from its effectiveness. It works great for routine ear cleaning and helps get rid of all the dirt and dust in the ear canal in no time. The formulation is effective against relieving the symptoms of ear infections such as painful itching, scratching, and bad ear odor. Although this ear cleaner does not guarantee to work against ear mites, some dog parents have mentioned that it's effective against them too. For the more concerned dog parents, do take note that this ear cleaner does contain alcohol, which only makes up less than 5% of the solution. Alcohol is added to create a dry environment for ear maintenance. Regardless, some dog owners would want to take this into consideration, although it shouldn't turn out to be a problem unless your dog has sensitive ears or skin. With a low price tag and effectiveness against some common ear infections, the VetWELL Ear Cleaner is a trusted option among dog parents. It has more than 5,600 reviews, with an average rating of 4.6 out of 5.0. At number 3, we have the PetMDodic Clean Dog Ear Cleaner. Another budget-friendly ear cleaner that's ideal for routine ear cleaning. If your dog has a lot of wax, dirt, and debris buildup in the ear canal and their ears, you will find the little guy shaking their head after you apply this directly into their ears. Let your dog do that as the dirt, debris and fluid would start coming off, and it would fall around on the ground when they shake their head. Now, truth be told, it's very effective at keeping ear infections at bay, but not as effective for treating them if your dog has already fallen prey to them. It also contains alcohol, which can make your dog's ears burn if they are sensitive to it. All said and done, it would serve you well for routine ear cleaning and preventing ear infections without burning a hole in your pocket. Despite being priced so cheap, it works surprisingly effectively for the most stubborn of wax and dirt buildup. It also starts showing results fairly quickly and works well for minor ear infections too. At number 2, we have the Vet's Dog Ear Cleaner Kit. Here's another ear cleaner, the Vet's Dog Ear Cleaner Kit, that only contains natural ingredients. It's actually also a kit and not just a cleaning solution, so you get a bottle for wash, and another labeled as Ear Relief Dry. The first liquid helps to offer fast, effective relief from painful, irritated ears and itching, while the second one helps keep the ears and ear canal clean for a longer period of time. As it's completely natural, it would be a better choice for puppies and dogs with large or sensitive ears. The dry solution is really useful, as it helps prevent the discomfort to a great extent that may be caused to your dog when using the cleaning solution. It does have a smell though, so make sure your dog isn't allergic to it or dislike it. The coordinated treatment is a unique feature, and it does turn out to be more effective than just using a cleaning liquid. And finally, at number 1, we have the NaturPet Dog Ear Drops. If you're one of those dog owners that like to go all natural for your dog, then the NaturPet Dog Ear Drops is the ear cleaner for you. Blended using 100% natural ingredients, this dog ear drop only contains herbs and roots that come with antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral properties. It also doesn't contain cortisone like some other ear cleaning solutions, which is basically a steroid that's not recommended to be used liberally on your dog. It works particularly well for pain relieving and ear inflammation or scratching, but isn't the most effective cleaning solution for the more serious infections like a fully grown yeast infection. It's also effective for gunk and dirt, while also helps prevent the swimmer's ear in dogs by keeping the ear canal clean and dry. The fact that it's completely natural is its biggest selling point. Also, it is made in Canada in a GMP certified facility. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.